and welcome to our cooking show. Today we're making Christmas pretzels. Christmas pretzels! In my tummy. Preheat your oven for 200 degrees. Get out your pan. Lay out your pretzels. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Put a horsey kiss in each pretzel. Frosty the snowman. A very jolly snow with a corncob pipe and a putty nose and two eyes made out of cord. Now, are you eating a pretzel? Yeah. No, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 16, 17, 18,
Yeah, 1,
19,
2,
20.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Put it in the oven for 4 minutes. Put it in the tiny. Don't let it melt. Alexa, set the timer for 4 minutes.
Third timer, 4 minutes, starting now.
Let's sing while we wait. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride one horse open sleigh. Hey. Look at how shiny they are. Now, get your bowl of M&Ms. Are these hot? Oh. Twist the M&M just like this. You might get a little messy, but that's okay. When we're done with the M&Ms, let the chocolate cool. Merry Christmas, everybody! Make sure subscribe to our channel and watch more videos on YouTube. Make these so then for Santa might eat all of these and you'll be super sad. Merry Christmas! We'll see you next time. The end. And cut.